Hi everybody, today I'm gonna show you how to reformat your SD card using terminal on Ubuntu. In order for the simple purpose is to avoid how to damage badly your SD card. So whenever you are making an image in ISO file into your SD card using the Windows, so after this you want to format the SD card, you want to end by something like this. If you contemplate here the generic multi SD card, here I have three partitions: the first and the second and the third partition. So if you format it normally, you cannot give back the real size. So here I'm gonna show you how to give back the real size of your SD card. First, you have to chop the command Control Alt and T to open the terminal. So we have first to run the command mount in order to verify what's the media mounted into your laptop. So here I have two media mounted on my laptop. It's in the emplacement SDB2 and SDB1. Make sure and that can be different from system to system. So we are going to run the command umount for the first partition, and we are also going to umount the second media. Now, after removing the media and mounting the media from the computer, we are going to run the command sudo fdisk -ls. Tap the password for security. Here on this tutorial we are using SD card for the size 4 GB, and it is mounted on SDB. Be sure and make sure that the location may be different from system to system. So first we are going to reformat the SD card or resize it to give back the real size and not to have this three partition. In this step we are going to run the command sudo fdisk, the location of your SD card, dev sdb. Now type the alphabet M to see the commands help. Here are the commands help how to resize your SD card after formatting. In order to be sure that we are going to make the same size, we are going to reformat all the partitions in our SD card. So we run the command D, select the first partition, delete, and the second partition are automatically deleted. Now we are going to be in the extra functionality. It's for expert only, X. Now if your knowledge is good, you have to know that an SD card is the constitution of the SD card is the sectors and the head and the number of cylinders. So we are going to type the number of hits and use it by default. Just tap enter. The second parameter we are going to enter is the number of sector. Just use default. And finally, and the last parameter is the number of cylinders. Just make it as default. Now after making this, we are going to recreate a new table of partition by typing the command L to go back and the command N. Now type the letter P and select the first partition. Make it by default. P for the second partition. Select the second partition, and you have to see this messages: no free sectors available. This mean that you are going in the right way. After making all these commands, now we are going to run the command Y in order to write the table we have just created into the text and to exit. Make sure, and you have to notice, that our SD cards are going to back to the same size after writing the command Y. Now the size of our SD card has been back to normal, and we got back our real size. Thanks for this tutorial, and thank you very much to the next video.